Traders, we're just going to run through this last week's VIP signals now. It's only Thursday. There may be more signals, possibly today, maybe tomorrow. It just depends. But I thought I would run through these and give you a bit of a recap, show you what we're doing in VIP. So I'll start off alphabetically. I've marked up the trades that we've taken with a green highlight here over on the right under the list. Okay, so the first one was the Aussie CAD. Simply put, we're following a strategy, and I'm looking for, as you can see, swing low, swing high, retrace, buy. Swing low, high, retrace, buy. And it's the same strategy wherever you go. And then, of course, at some stage, it does that to you. So this one was taken out, and we have a -1R with the Aussie CAD. Bitcoin was the other one that also got taken out, and the others were profitable. We'll just have a quick look at this. Bitcoin. You know what? I went with a counter trend, given that this was trending up. It ran into this big level here, and I thought we'd see a bit of a pullback. I was looking for what we had there and there, pretty much. I was hoping to see that here, and it didn't happen. The idea with this would have been to pull our stop loss to break even and then sit on it and see if we got a bit more out of it, but no, it's continued up. Okay, so that one's Bitcoin. CAD Swissy. I mean, we are taking these on the lower time frame for an entry, but this was actually quite a nice outcome. We reached 1.91R on that euro pound. This one I closed early, and we had a loss of 0.53 exactly. I'm just copying and pasting the levels that are taken off Telegram. So minus 0.53 on that one. Same thing, it's a trend continuation, and we're looking for, you know, sell, 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 and it's just our luck that, you know, a couple of these went the other way. Euro Kiwi. Right, into Thursday I decided to close the basket of trades. So we gained 0.28R with that one. But again, you can see where I'm coming from with the signals. It's all a trend continuation strategy. The pound Aussie, this one we closed. I'm just showing you these on the 4-hour chart. We could go down to the lower time frame and look at the alerts and this and what have you, but you know, at the moment we'll just run through a quick recap. So this one we achieved 0.57, so I closed it up in here. That was into Thursday. I saw this red dot and I was happy to secure profits. Pound Swiss. Okay, we had a pretty tight stop on this one. I entered based on this price action. It was ranging, had a bit of a spike up. And when it moved into this level here, I pulled the stop loss down to slightly better than break even. And of course it came back and took it out. Right now it's traveling quite nicely at about 1R. But that one was closed at break even. And New Zealand Swissy. Again, into the end of the week, I decided to secure profits. I usually do that into Thursdays. You can see that this was trading into this level down in here. I decided to close it, and we secured 1.48R with that one. So having a look at the spreadsheet so far this week, we're up 1.93R. That's quite nice. We have 15 out of 16 weeks in profit. That's a pretty good track record. Just scroll down, and you can see. Right, so I've just gone back to the beginning of April with this spreadsheet report. Right, so we may or may not open any new trades. We'll just see. Like if there's a setup there, I definitely will. So this is to be continued this week, 15th of July to the 19th. If you like what you see, jump on board, guys. It's VIP Telegram signals. We've got a VIP chat group. My trading course is the Foundations for Success. That includes ongoing members-only mentorship videos that are posted into VIP, and you have access to our Tradingview indicators. Just shout me lunch and you have full access. That's it. Sushi train once a month. Okay, guys, so with that, I'll leave it with you. I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.